What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another one of the Suicide Mod videos. In today's episode we're going to be doing the boot trim inside of the car, which just seals between where the boot lid comes down onto the actual boot itself. So we're going to be taking the Ford OEM black one out, and then we're going to be replacing it with this nice lush red coloured one just to kind of match the interior of the car. This is 2 metres of it, and it cost £3 per metre off eBay, give or take a bit, roughly around that price. I'll put the link to where I got it from in the description below. So there you go, guys, let's check it out FaceTime. Let's go down to the boot of the car, let's install this and see how it looks. See you in a minute, guys.
I'll stand for one of the corner guys, just pull it off. Bring it round. And drop that down and then start applying the new one. Just literally push it right up to the edge of the seal. And just keep going around. Leave the new seal hanging in your boot so it don't traipse across the floor and get dirty. See, go back round, make sure it's all pushed in nice and tight. For the minute, I'm just going to cut this piece. Just to fill that gap. 108, and that's basically done. I just need to replace that little bit in the corner, kind of there, that's a little bit short, so I'll either get a new length that's just the right size, or put a little piece in that corner and cut it perfect up against the edges. That's just a rough cut, and then you won't even notice it. And there you go guys, there's the door seal. Let's have a look at it. Alright guys, let's get this boot open. Let's have a look how the seal looks. And this is how it looks after the install. The door lock. As you can see, we had a bit of a bit short there, so I had to cut a piece of the old seal up and spot that in. So what I'll do is, I've got some offcuts of this red seal upstairs. I'll cut it exactly to the size and fit it and see how it looks. If I don't notice it, fair enough. If I do notice it, I'll buy a bigger complete door trim and then go about it like that. Just for now, I've left that on so the rainwater don't get in because it's a bit kind of wet outside. But yeah, that's the new trim. Okay, there's the old trim, how that used to sit, and this, as I said, is how the new door trim looks. Which looks a lot better than this old black Ford OEM trim, which you can see is a bit old and knackered, and that trim can now go in the bin. See you in a bit guys.